The Supreme Court today overturned the murder conviction and death sentence of a black man in Georgia. In a 7-1 decision, the court ruled prosecutors had unconstitutionally excluded African Americans from the all-white jury. The sole dissenter was the only black justice, Clarence Thomas. Here's Chief Legal Correspondent Jan Crawford.
The opinion by Chief Justice John Roberts underscores the long-held principle: race cannot be a factor in excluding blacks from juries. But in the 1987 murder trial of a Georgia man, the court said the focus on race by prosecutors did just that, demonstrating a concerted effort to keep black prospective jurors off the jury. The decision paves the way for a new trial for Timothy Foster, who was convicted of the brutal rape and murder of an elderly school teacher and sentenced to death. The justices had signaled at oral arguments they were troubled by the case. Justice Elena Kagan said the prosecutor's conduct was as clear a violation as a court is ever going to see, thanks to the discovery of the prosecutor's notes. The names of the potential African American jurors were highlighted in green, and in this list of possible jurors titled Definite No's, the top 5 people are black. Georgia argued that prosecutors had flagged the black prospective jurors to make sure they were following new Supreme Court guidelines handed down in a landmark 1986 case to prevent racial discrimination in jury selection.
Now, some anti-death penalty groups say that race discrimination in jury selection may be less obvious today, but it still persists. But Nora, this case focused solely on Foster's trial 30 years ago. It did not address those bigger concerns.
All right, Jan Crawford outside the Supreme Court. Jan, thank you.